morning, student. Today I am going to start the new topic of class 8 physics, work, power and energy. So first topic is related to work. How work is defined. When the force applied on a body and the body moves, then we said that work is done. In this figure, you see that if at point A force is applied, the objects move in the direction of force at point B. Then we said that work is done. So formula evaluated work is equal to force into displacement. Simply we said that product of the force and the displacement of the point of application of the force in the direction of force. Condition for work to be done. That means in which condition we said that work to be done. First, when the formula evaluated work done is equal to W is equal to F into S. So first factor is force and second factor is displacement. So first condition is force applied on an object. Second, displacement along the direction of force or change in the shape and size of the body. In two conditions we said that work is done. The situation of no work. In which condition we said that no work is done? According to this formula, when F is equal to 0, then we said that no work is done. If S is equal to 0, then we said that no work is done. But this is a special condition when displacement is normal to the direction of force. That means if the angle of is equal to 90 degree, then we said that no work is done. This example of no work is done at 90 degree when a pulley walks on a horizontal ground while carrying a load. No work is done against the force of gravity because the displacement of load is normal to the direction of force. So we said that the example of pulley is in the direction of force is equal to 90 degree. So we said that no work is done. So the unit of force is equal to W is equal to F into S. The unit of force is Newton and the unit of displacement is meter. So Newton meter is the unit of work done, which is also known as joule. Joule is the SI unit of work. 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 earth. The relationship between joule and erg is 1 joule is equal to 10 to the power 7 erg. Erg is the CGS unit of work. Next topic is power. What is power? Rate of doing work. That means power is equal to work done divided by time. The unit of work done is joule and the unit of time is second. So joule second is known as watt. 1 watt is equal to 1 joule by 1 second. If 1 joule work done in 1 second, then we said that 1 watt power is consumed. The bigger unit of watt is kilowatt. 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. Another unit of power is 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watt. The next topic is energy. Capacity of doing work is called energy. So unit of energy is also joule. Here we have discussed about the forms of energy, which is mechanical forms of energy. Mechanical energy is divided in two forms of energy: kinetic energy and potential energy. Kinetic energy, due to the motion of an object, the energy possesses kinetic, and due to the position and configuration of an object, the energy possesses potential energy. The kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. That means kinetic energy depends on two factors, mass and velocity square. If mass is increased, kinetic energy is increased. If velocity is increased, then kinetic energy increased in 2 times. Potential energy, mass into gravity into height. It depends on three factors: mass, acceleration due to gravity, and height of an object.